Looking to optimize your trading strategy? CoinEx Spot Grid automates buying low and selling high, leveraging market fluctuations to your advantage. Here's a quick guide to get started. Step 1. Log into CoinEx and select Strategic Trading under Exchange. Step 2. On the Strategic Trading page, select Spot Grid and click Create Strategy. You may need to accept the relevant terms before proceeding. Step 3. You can choose either Auto for quick setup or Manual for customized parameters. Then click Create and Confirm to start your Spot Grid strategy. Step 4. Once created, the system will automatically run the Spot Grid strategy according to your settings. You can view details, monitor performance, and adjust or end the strategy by selecting End Strategy or edit TP/SL in My Strategy as needed. Step 5. You can end your grid strategy anytime. Click Confirm to complete and cancel any pending orders. Get started with CoinEx Spot Grid today. Automate your trades and make the market work for you.